Menopause isn't the end of your story. It's an invitation to step into a new chapter with intention, strength, and wisdom. But let's be honest, more than half of women over 35 start having trouble sleeping. Night sweats, racing thoughts, falling asleep only to wake up at 3 a.m., never quite finishing your sleep cycle. This isn't just aging. There are real reasons and real science-backed solutions that I want you to know about. Let's start with the truth. Sleep is not optional. Deep, regular sleep rebuilds your brain, regulates hormones, boosts your immune system, and supports emotional resilience. Poor sleep, on the other hand, can undo all your hard work, resetting your metabolism, making stress feel even heavier, and raising your risk for everything from anxiety to heart problems. Here's what happens as you move through perimenopause and menopause. First, your estrogen and progesterone start having mood swings of their own. These hormones are essential for healthy sleep cycles. And when they drop, you get hot flashes, night sweats, and those frustrating early morning wake-ups. Your brain can't fully relax. Melatonin drops off, and sleep becomes shallow and broken. Next, your body's master clock, your circadian rhythm, gets thrown off. Melatonin drops, your temperature regulation becomes unpredictable. Suddenly, you're waking up before your alarm, or you just can't seem to stay asleep. And then, there's your emotional health. More stress, more worry, more anxiety. All of that can make it even harder to drift off and stay asleep. But here's the good news. There are proven, practical ways to reclaim your nights, and they're not all about hormone therapy. Let's start with your bedroom. Make it a sanctuary. Block out every bit of light. Keep the temperature cool. Around 60 to 67 degrees is ideal. Choose breathable cotton sheets or a cooling pillowcase. One of my favorite pillows uses gel technology. It's helped me sleep through the sweatiest nights and wake up truly refreshed. You'll find a link below. Now let's talk about your evening routine. Cut screens an hour before bed. Those electronics block melatonin. Dim the lights. Maybe sip a calming herbal tea or take a warm bath. Little rituals like these tell your nervous system it's time to rest. Magnesium is a game changer, especially magnesium glycinate. It calms your muscles and your mind. If you're tossing and turning, I've linked my favorite lab-tested brand below. For stress, try deep breathing. Inhale 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Or add a few minutes of gentle yoga or meditation. Movement during the day matters too. Even a 30-minute walk outside can boost your mood and help your hormones rebalance. Twice weekly strength training supports your metabolism and sleep. Supplements like black cohosh, maca root, or vitamin D can help. Just check with your doctor first. And if sleep still won't come, consider biofeedback or CBTI therapy. These can literally retrain your brain for better rest. Above all, remember, menopause is a chance to listen to your body's wisdom. More reflection, less rushing. That's true growth. So here's your roadmap. Make sleep sacred, cool your environment, build a strong evening routine, move and strengthen your body, and care for your mind. It's about consistency. Even one small change tonight can be the start. If this video helped you feel seen, give it a like, subscribe, and share with a friend who's ready to sleep better too. Curious about the cooling pillow or magnesium blend? They're in the description, the same ones I use. Let's walk this journey together and thrive in it.